Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL awarded with Golden Peacock Environment Management Award 2020. And Competition for Executive Director Works Excellence Award concludes at SAIL RSP. Coming to the news in detail, Steel Authority of India Limited has been awarded with the prestigious Golden Peacock Environment Management Award for the year 2020 in the steel sector by the Institute of Directors. Shri Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman SAIL, lauded the efforts of SAIL Collective and said, SAIL has been the winner of this award for successive 2 years, and this bears testimony to the efforts made by the company for sustainable and environmentally responsible steel making. This award is one of the most coveted awards in the category. Considering various environmental issues leading to global warming and climate change, the award encourages corporates to enhance their environmental performance and to compete with peers to set benchmarks. SAIL, as its corporate responsibility for environment protection continuously focuses on adopting various environmental measures including upgrading of pollution control facilities, treatment and recirculation of wastewater from individual units and outfalls, enhancement in the green cover in and around plants and units, efficient handling of different solid wastes, viz. Process waste, hazardous waste, canteen township waste, carbon sequestration through afforestation, eco-restoration of mined-out area, among others. Also, the environment of SAIL's initiatives and best practices on improving cleaner environment, reducing emissions and discharges, mitigating impacts of climate change and helping the company to conduct its operations in environmentally benign manner has been recognized. The award was confirmed on SAIL in a virtual award presentation ceremony held on 15 December 2020. To encourage skill development at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant and to inculcate the culture of skill excellence through healthy competition amongst the employees, Executive Director Works Skill Excellence Award 2020-21 was organized at HRD Center from 9th to 15 December. Around 120 employees in the level S1 to S11 participated in the competition. Competition was conducted in total 6 trades, namely hydraulics technician, welder, fitter, turner, electrician, and electronic mechanics. The first position holder in each trade would receive Executive Director Works Skill Excellence Award 2020-21 trophy, a certificate of merit, and a cash award of Rs 3,000. The second and third position holders would be awarded with Rs 2,000 and Rs 1,500 respectively, along with the trophy and merit of certificate. Customized printed coffee mugs would be given as token gifts to each of the participants. With this, we conclude this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.